Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends and family. Hopefully you are doing great. And I hope you are passing really good time. And I hope you are practicing your English every day. And every day you want to improve your English speaking skill. So anyway, those who are watching my video, I know that everybody are really crazy of learning English, and everybody really interested about learning English. I know that. And my dear friends and family, you know that today's topic is very important. And what is the topic of I selected for today? At first, I want to give you a question. What is the question? The question is simple, and some people seem to it is a simple question, but it is not a simple question. What is the question? The question is, what is the precious thing of our life? And otherwise the question is maybe what is the precious things of the world? I will give you 5 seconds. Let's get started. And up. And what is the answer of this question? The answer is time is the precious things of the world of our life. And you know that time is time is most important, most valuable of our life. You know that. So that's why today I want to make a video for today. And today I selected this topic. What is the reason and why I selected this topic for today? And you know that time is very important. Time is very important of our life. And I want to understand you. And if you understand properly what is the value of time, I will really happy for this. Because you know that I am very busy person for every time. Every day I have been working 10 to 12 hours every day. It is a huge time. And my work is not hard, but it's very difficult, and my work is accounting. And for this reason, I always fall in attention. So that's why I cannot use my time properly on learning English, on practicing English. And that's why I come here, and I want to take some experience. I want to share with you how much value of time. You can see that I am a very busy person, but it doesn't matter. What is the best thing of the world? You know, the time is the best thing of the world. So anyway, if you don't use your time properly on work, on journey, it's not gonna happen. It's not gonna good happen of your future. So that's why at first you take a challenge. At first you need a challenge. Then you maintain the time. Then you maintain the time management. Time management is a very good thing of our life. So you have to punctual. You have to good. So today I don't want to wait more longer. So my dear friends and family, today this is it. See you some other time. Take care.